Okay, hey guys. So, we've been home a couple of days already. Well, we got home yesterday, so surgery was yesterday. So I'm just gonna go get my walking stick, because right now we're checking gait and how I'm looking. And for those that are curious as to what kind of difference comes with the whole anterior approach that I had this time around for the hip and the approach I had yesterday, or sorry, in 2020 for posterior. I'm just gonna go grab some shoes because it's a little damp out there. So basically there's very little in the way of any restrictions as to what I can do for movement. I just gotta use common sense and be smart. Go downstairs properly, that kind of thing. So we're gonna be doing that here in a second. So doing the whole one step at a time thing here. So here we go. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. There we go, and 4. So I'm just gonna set the camera up. Hopefully we can get the angle right. So, let's see how we go here. I think that's gonna look pretty good. So this is with the cane, right? I've got the cane with me just in case, right? So anyway. So as you can see, that's a normal gait. So, you know, this is where I am right now based on how I'm feeling. All I'm taking right now is Tylenol, and I think a Tylenol and ibuprofen. So that's it, just for management. In the evenings, we're taking we're going to take I think it's the Tramadol, which is one of those pills I really don't like taking because it's an opiate, but it helps me. It's technically to help me sleep more than anything else. But yeah, it's like, I mean, the muscle pain here is, well, it feels like I just got pounded in the leg more than anything else. So, but that's where the soreness really is right now, is down through this area of the leg. But you know, you can't even see, you know, there's the scar. You can see that right there. That's it. There's virtually no swelling compared to what I had last time. So, taking it easy, but very, very happy. The arthritic pain is gone. There is absolutely no pain in the actual joint area now. It feels great. So now it's a matter of keeping, you know, healthy and making sure that the bone itself in the hip has time to fuse and make itself a part, make the prosthetic a part of me. So anyway, that's it. So for those wondering just what I'm going through at the moment and how mobile I am, here I am 1 day later. So, I mean, less than 24 hours ago, I was pretty much being wheeled into the OR. So anybody who's wondering about, you know, same day surgery kind of thing, huge thumbs up. So, anyway, gonna walk back in. And yes, I'm being very good. See, there's the stairs, and the whole thing is right foot first, follow the left, right foot first. See, I'm doing it, Tay. I'm doing it. I'm being good. She did threaten to call me today just to make sure I was doing all my physios and behaving myself. So there is a fighter practice here tonight. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna show up. So I think because hell, I might even wear soft kit just to look sexy. Anyway, later, guys.